Hey guys, we have a special unboxing with Hudson, of course. There's an envelope sent to us by Bonnie Bonbon, our wonderful Bonnie Bonbon, who we met because she came and visited New York. Yes, and we got to meet her, and we live streamed our visit, and she gave Hudson lots of gifts, including some that are up there. So let's see what's in the envelope. Okay, ready? Let's go and peek. Oh no. Huts, can you please sit down? Sit. Sit. I know you're excited because this is Bonnie Bonbon. I already sliced this open so there won't be any dangerous objects. What are these? What are these?
Oh, let's see.
Oh my God, it's the pictures from our time together. Sit. Look at, I'm even wearing the same shirt. How perfect.
Oh, beautiful.
Hudson, extra good. Oh boy. Oh,
There's
you
Hudson.
look handsome. You are
What do you
handsome
think,
devil.
What do you think?
Oh God, look, he's doing his cat paws.
Yeah, there it is.
Look, like a cat. He tucks in his paw like a cat.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's see what else. Bonnie, these are great.
Yeah, Bonnie.
These are awesome photos.
Fantastic job.
They printed them really nice.
Oh yeah, fantastic job, Bonnie Bonbon. Oh yeah, yep, that looks great.
Oh, more. Look at all the kisses. These kisses are for you, Bonnie Bonbon. He's kissing me, but it's really for you.
He's like, oh, I look good.
These are
beautiful.
Awesome. Extra good. Let's put them over here so Hudson doesn't step on them. Let's see what else is in here. There's a couple more things. Okay, here's a card. Let's do this. Let's do the card last.
Okay.
What's this? Oh, this is a picture of her sweet kitty Tammy won second place. Look, she was a sunflower. Overall paw rating is 3.39 paws. Oh my God, she's fantastic.
Yeah, let me go in on it.
Oh, Hudson would have loved your Tammy.
Oh, Tammy's looking great.
So let's see what else. What else?
Little sunflower.
What else? Ooh, Bonnie. Oh, wait, like frame, not like smaller sizes. That one.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, and the picture of all of us. Oh,
very cool.
Extra good.
Oh, Bonnie.
More Hudson.
Fantastic job, Bonnie.
Even more Hudson. Of course, you can't have enough Hudson. Look at this. His tongue is out in this one.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Bonnie, back in New York City.
Look at his tongue. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, there's what he meant. His friend.
His doppelganger.
Hudson. Look. Sit. What are you doing? There's another picture of him and his friend. Wait.
Oh, let me see. Oh, cool.
And this is, I ran across the street with Hudson because there's the silly costume. Because, it was Halloween.
Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, that's a great, Bonnie.
Extra good. And then look at he's tuckered out.
Tuckered out?
Okay, so let's put those away. Keep them safe. Thank you, Bonnie. These are fantastic.
Oh, Bonnie, that's a fantastic job.
And now we have an envelope. So sit.
Hudson, sit.
Sit.
Good boy. Wow.
And I know there's not a treat in here, but this is important. It's a beautiful card from Bonnie.
Oh, look at how pretty.
Thank you.
Wow, that's pretty. Look at the colors.
James, Karla, and beautiful Hudson, thank you for meeting me. Had such a wonderful time together. Thank you again, and thank you for being you. Love, Bonnie.
Oh, Bonnie, that's very
sweet. Beautiful, Bonnie. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
And you know what we're going to do right now. Most importantly,
see if the coast is clear.
Let me get these so Hudson doesn't step on them.
Yes.
Let me put them over here. Oh God, I got hit by the tail. Hudson, would you like to play with some Bonnie Bonbon toys?
Sure would.
The answer would be yes. Okay. Oh, guys, notice.
Yeah, we're making progress.
We're making progress. We're going to fill in more of the background, but look,
looks like Hudson.
We're almost done with the mini stack mosaic that Emmy gave us.
Vaguely like Hudson.
Look at this.
No, it looks more of it than vaguely.
Look at this.
Beautiful. Guys, we're still working on the mini stack. Now we're going to do Hudson Bonnie Bonbon toys.
Do you see the paw?
See if the coast is clear.
Let's see if the coast is clear, okay, big fella?
Poop. Easy, easy.
Easy.
Oh, jeez, he loves it.
Who's this clear? Which one first? The chicken? Oh my God. It's the peg leg chicken. Oh, that was an excellent throw, James. Excellent. Oh my God. Did you see that? Look at the face.
I'm watching him.
Look at the paw.
Pig time.
Okay, now pig. That's a little close. You have to grunt it.
Yeah. Oh no, he's.
The pig grunts.
Yeah, I was zoomed in. Oh, buddy, fantastic shot.
Oh, and look, I'm wearing the necklace. The beautiful heart that Bonnie got me, too.
I got it. Wait. Wow, that's awesome. Very cool, buddy. Thanks so much.
Wait,
Fantastic
one
job.
more.
One more. One more pig. Which one?